Hello friends, if you want to know about Trebo, then watch this video till end, and before that, if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe it. Trebo is a dietary supplement or natural supplement from USA. It is in a delicious liquid form with 174 ingredients from herbs, fruits, minerals and vegetables. Trebo is made in a micronized formula, meaning it is broken down for easy absorption. Trebo is a Latin word. Tre means three, vo means power. So Trebo gives our body three powers. Number 1, restore our energy and mental focus. Number 2, renew our body cells. Number 3, revive our immune and anti-aging functions. Before going ahead, let's know about Trebo's certifications. Trebo is certified by NAFDAC approved. ORAC means antioxidants rate measurement. KP tested. Halal Muslim certification. Kosher GS certification. BSCH drug free certification. FSSAI food standard certification. 100% vegetarian certification. Also Trebo has no side effects. Trebo has 174 ingredients, 13 essential vitamins, vitamin B6, biotin, folate, folic acid, niacin VB3, pantothenic acid VB5, riboflavin VB2, thiamine VB1, vitamin A, vitamin B12, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E and pantothenic acid. It has also 14 minerals such as magnesium, potassium, zinc, calcium, boron, sodium, copper, iodine, phosphorus, manganese, selenium, molybdenum and chromium. Trebo has also 20 amino acids such as glycine, alanine, arginine, asparagine, aspartic, cysteine, GLUT amino acid, histidine, isoleucine, leucine, lysine, methionine, ornithine, proline, serine, threonine, tyrosine, valine and taurine. There are also 24 exotic and garden fruits in Trebo like acai berry, amalaki, camu camu, skinjandra, gag fruit, goji fruit, borojo, mangosteen, pear, noni, papaya, pineapple, pomegranate, star fruit, turmeric, wolfberry extract, yellow duck, apple, banana, bilberry, blueberry, oranges, macuberry and acerola cherry. It has also 18 vegetables and sea veg such as asparagus, beet, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, carrot, garlic, kale, onion, parsley, red raspberry, spinach, tomato, bladderwort, dulse leaf, kelp, aloe vera and cauliflower. It has also 5 green superfoods such as chlorella, wheatgrass, kale, barley grass and blue-green spirulina. In Trebo, there are also 25 herbs such as alpha leaf, ashwagandha, asparagus, astragalus root, bacopa, beet, burdock root, cat's claw, garlic, gotokola, green tea, hawthorn, berry, Korean ginseng, milk thistle, pau d'arco, sea buckthorn, stevia, turmeric, echinacea, turnip, wolfberry extract, yellow duck and aloe vera. In Trebo, there are also 58 plants and sea trace minerals such as plant source essentials fatty acids, 1000 mg of coral calcium, graviola, coenzyme Q10, fluvic acid, supplies the body with all required daily nutrients, has an ORAC score of 4,17,000. Trebo can be taken by children above 2 years. Trebo can be used by adults, pregnant women and nursing mothers. 98% body absorption as the supplement works directly through the cells. Trebo supports management of the various health challenges such as cancer, blood pressure, cholesterol, cardiovascular, kidney, joints and bones, sickle cells anemia, menstrual disorders, fibroid infertility, men's health, sperm count, premature ejaculation or partial impotence, women low libido also in menopause, fibroid to shrink, weight loss, digestive issues such as constipation, raising CD4 for HIV infected, allergies, nursing moms, pregnant women, senior citizens, sports, blood sugar, wonderful sense of well-being, improves your immune system, improves disease resistance, supports stroke treatment, inhibits lipid peroxidation, prevents hardening of arteries, inhibits tumor growth, supports healthy liver function, prevents osteoporosis, fights inflammation and arthritis, strengthens muscle and bones, improves your memory, alleviates anxieties and stress, maintains healthy gums, relieves headache and dizziness, improves your vision, fights glaucoma and cataract, improves quality of sleep, supports menopausal symptoms treatment, prevents morning sickness, enhances sexual function, protects precious DNA, prevents fungal infection, modulates bacterial infection, prevents skin and other allergies, thyroid gland stimulation, fight with sinus problem, anti-aging, relief from back pain, muscles and bodybuilding, relief from migraine, supports in thalassemia and many more. Trevo restores vital energy, renews the body system and its natural functions, revives the body's anti-aging and immune functions in the natural way. 174 natural ingredients, phytonutrients, get rid of pain, financial or physical. The power of Trevo explains all. If you have watched this video throughout everything, Trevo contains 174 nutrients ingredients. You don't need to buy separate products to fight the unhealthy cells. Trevo is a mother of all food supplements. Many problems, only one solution. That is Trevo. Trevo empowering wellness. If you want to keep your and your family's health well, then start using Trevo from right now. If you want to order Trevo, then go to this video's description. You will get all the registration details. Register yourself using the details and with your personal details. After that, log in your ID and update KYC. Then go to Shop Now section and order Trevo online. Within 3 to 4 days, you will get Trevo in your hand without any courier charges. So order now and keep your family's health well. Also keep in mind that registration is totally free.